Rope lights must be under ITIS laboratories or UL approved to ensure they meet safety standards. UL has updated its standards, no longer approving rope lights that can be cut to fit. Current UL approved rope lights are fixed length, have polarized plugs, and are fused. Individual bulbs and rope lights are rated at 1/2 watt. An 18-foot length consumes 54 watts, which is significantly lower than the concentrated heat from a 50-watt halogen bulb. For outdoor installations, a 15 or 20 amps ground fault interrupter or GFI receptacle is recommended. Rope lights should be installed by a qualified electrician to ensure proper connections and safety measures are met. Improper installation or cutting of rope lights can create overheating and potential fire hazards. Faulty connections, damage to the lights, or overloading electrical circuits can lead to electrical faults and fires. Arcing can occur if the insulation on the rope lights is damaged, creating a fire hazard. Inspect rope lights regularly for any signs of damage or wear. Keep rope lights away from flammable materials such as curtains or paper. Never leave rope lights unattended while in use. Unplug rope lights when not in use for extended periods. Current UL-approved rope lights, when installed properly and used safely, are a generally safe and energy-efficient lighting option. It is crucial to follow manufacturers' instructions and take necessary safety precautions to prevent potential fire hazards. Firstly, ensure that the rope lights you purchase are UL-approved. Secondly, carefully read and follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and use. Thirdly, use the appropriate ground fault interrupter or GFI receptacle for outdoor installations. Fourthly, never cut rope lights that are not designed to be cut, as this can create a safety hazard. Fifthly, regularly inspect your rope lights for any signs of damage or wear, such as frayed wires or cracked insulation. Sixthly, keep rope lights away from flammable materials such as curtains, paper, or other combustible items. Seventhly, never leave rope lights unattended while in use, especially if they are in an area where they could come into contact with flammable materials. Eighthly, unplug rope lights when not in use for extended periods to reduce the risk of overheating or electrical faults. Ninthly, if you notice any signs of overheating, such as a burning smell or discoloration, immediately unplug the rope lights and discontinue use. Tenthly, consider having a qualified electrician install the rope lights to ensure that they are properly connected and grounded. Overheating can occur if rope lights are improperly installed, cut, or used in a way that restricts ventilation. The overheating can damage the insulation and wiring of the rope lights, increasing the risk of electrical shock or fire. Electrical faults can occur if the wiring in the rope lights is damaged, corroded, or improperly connected. Electrical faults can cause the rope lights to short circuit, which can lead to overheating, electrical shock, or fire. Arcing can occur if the insulation in the rope lights is damaged, allowing electricity to jump from one conductor to another. Arcing can generate high temperatures and create a fire hazard. To mitigate the risk of overheating, ensure that rope lights are installed in a well-ventilated area. Do not cover or enclose rope lights in a way that restricts airflow. Avoid cutting rope lights unless they are specifically designed to be cut, and always follow the manufacturer's instructions for cutting and sealing the ends. To prevent electrical faults, regularly inspect the wiring and connections of the rope lights for any signs of damage or corrosion. Replace any damaged or worn wiring immediately. Ensure that all connections are tight and secure. Avoid overloading electrical circuits by plugging too many devices into the same outlet. To prevent arcing, protect the insulation of the rope lights from damage. Avoid bending or twisting the rope lights excessively. Keep the rope lights away from sharp objects or abrasive surfaces. If you notice any signs of damage to the insulation, replace the rope lights immediately.